Carmen Ainsworth Schools. This large 3-bedroom, 3-full-bath Cape Cod features plaster walls, cove ceilings, hardwood floors, arched doorway and fireplace. If you like to entertain, you have room in this 23 by 23 great room that has wood stove, high-beamed ceilings and enters into a Florida room. Enjoy cooking in this all-appliances stay kitchen and serve the food in the formal dining room. The living room features cove ceilings and fireplace. Off the kitchen you have a den office to work in. As an added plus you have a finished basement with a wet barn full bath. Outside is an added bonus 2-car garage and a 25 by 30 heated barn with a loft. Sit on the patio and enjoy looking at the deer on this 4.71 acres which features your own putting green. Don't let this one get away from you.